So they're traveling back and they're saying, hey friends, hey, what's going on? We made it back. Do you want me? Hey, the house looks a little bit different. I like what you, Then they like look awkward at one another. And they're like, hey, what's up? Do I look funny or something? I don't think you look funny at all. I think your arms got bigger or something. I don't know. Plus, we weren't expecting you back this early. Maybe like later. We missed you, but we didn't know what to do. Things are a little different before you left. Before both of y'all left. Y'all just left. You didn't even really say anything. You just left. And we didn't know what to do. So we were just kind of wandering around. Is the place okay? Do we still play some of the games that we used to play, or not really? That's what we want to ask you, because we don't know. We're not sure.